When you have your natural production of testosterone, hard work will feel good. Kung may magtatanong sa'yo, bakit mo ginagawa yun? Mahirap lang naman sa katawan. Ang hindi nila mag-gets, ito yung sinasabing, it's all about the journey, not the destination. Ang mismong magiging reward dito ay yung mismong work. Yun. Isipin mo lang buddy, anong mas pleasurable? Yung nagpaparelax-relax ka lang or you actually do the work? Yung latter requires discipline and commitment. Yung una requires zero effort. Kung ang mindset mo bago magsimula ng workout ay na ito na naman tayo, gagawin ko ba lagi ito? Maling frame of mind. Guaranteed, quit ka agad. Pero kung ang frame of mind mo ay to conquer your weakness, to embrace the pain, the grind, the discomfort, kasi ang pain is a sign of weakness leaving your body. Hindi lang naman ito for pain, pero may other side din ito na satisfaction, fulfillment,